if you are studying M.Sc and Ph.D in agriculture and allied sector courses, this area production productivity is very, very important. For example, here I will show my PhD thesis. Actually, I submitted my PhD thesis in the academic year 2024. So I used the data of the year 23 and 24. If we search area production productivity of the crops in the world, we will get one PDF, World Agricultural Production. They will release this PDF every year. This PDF is for the year 2026. For example, we can consider this wheat area yield and production for the year 2024, 25, 26, and the projections for 26, 27. From this PDF, we can take the data for global level and India level for some of the most important crops. This website is upag.gov.in. I will give the link of this website in the description of video. For the year 21, 22, 22, 23 and up to 25, 26, they have given the data. Most of the agricultural crops, that is rice, wheat, maize, and they have split the data into Kharif, Rabi, summer, and the total. If you are conducting your research in Kharif season or Rabi season or summer season, you can justify your research during that particular season with this data also. And the next thing is agricultural statistics at a glance, published every year by the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. The area is in million hectare, and the production is in million tonnes, and the yield is kg per hectare, and the percent contribution to all India. 23, 24, 24, 25 total area for the year 20, 24 to 25. Just for example, same I have considered the wheat area is 32.80 million hectare. Just you can give the reference. If you want to give to the global level, you can give this USDA PDF. If you want to give at our national level, you can use this agricultural statistics at a glance, and they have given the state-wise split up also. So with this, you can take the data for your particular state and you can write your thesis. If you want the data for any other state that is missed in this list, you can go to that state website and you can download data. For example, for Tamil Nadu, I will search like area production, productivity of the crops, Tamil Nadu. Here we can see like season and crop report tables. Here is the season and crop report for 24-25. District-wise details, rainfall detail, area under the crops, area under food crops. This is the area under the food crops. For example, paddy. Here they have given the season-wise split up also.